reimagines the way we look at the climate action. And the talk is titled as "What if the climate movement felt like a house party?" And this was by the Matthew Phillips. And it is not just another discussion about the climate change. It is a powerful metaphor that reshapes the entire conversation. First of all, the house party metaphor. Matthew Phillips invites us to think the climate movement as a house with many rooms. In this house, everyone has a place: governments, businesses, activists, scientists, artists, and ordinary people like you and me. Instead of fighting over one single approach, the movement becomes a big, welcoming party where everyone's contributions matter. So this metaphor makes climate action feel less intimidating and more like a shared responsibility. He also explains that in the climate conversation, there are two main groups: the realists and the optimists. Realists warn us about the rising temperatures, stronger storms, and urgent deadlines. And optimists highlights the progress, cleaner energy, declining costs of renewables, and technological innovation. So Matthew argues that both are essential. Realism keeps us grounded, while optimism keeps us moving forward with the hope and together. So they create the balance we need. So Flip shared his experience at the UN climate negotiations in the way where something historic happened. For the first time, a global agreement included the idea of phasing out fossil fuels, and this breakthrough didn't happen because of just one group. It was the result of scientists, business leaders, and actors working together. It showed that trust and collaboration can lead to the meaningful global change even in complex political spaces. So one of the most inspiring parts of this TED Talk was that his call to bring artists into the climate movement. Why? Because while data can transform us, art can move us. Artists have always played a role in shaping social change through music, stories, and visuals. So in the same way, art can transform the climate messages into something that touches people emotionally and helping them to correct, care, and act. So, what struck me most about this TED Talk was how it flips the narrative. Climate change is often framed as a doom and gloom, which can feel overwhelming. But by seeing it as a house party, Matthew shows us that it can be a hopeful, creative, and inclusive. So instead of guilt, the focus is on the belonging. Instead of fear, the focus is on the possibility. And that's exactly the kind of energy we need to move forward. So this was today's Mathematics Peer Review. I hope this is so inspiring to you, and I hope this will inspire you. And I will meet you in our next talk peer review. Till then, Allah Hafiz and India and always Pakistan Zindabad. Until next time, keep learning, keep bringing Turkish. Allah Hafiz.